Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 230. You guys can join me up in the bow. So starting out, you can see we do have our accent lights on, showing you these blue LEDs underneath the seating in the bow. But to be a 23-foot boat, you got a very spacious bow, right? To give you an idea, I'm just about 6'3", and I can fit pretty comfortably up here. And this boat does come with a filler cushion to fill in right here and make a full sun pad. Awesome feature in the bow is this anchor locker, so you have a dedicated storage spot for your anchor on board. It's not taking up any storage underneath the seats. Start moving our way back towards the cockpit. I'll use this moment to show you this wind dam here. So this will unfold and click right into place, and then you're able to enjoy a nice brisk day on the water. You close the windshield, prevent any kind of wind from hitting the main captain and the co-captain there. As I work my way back, I will open the head and show you that in there. It's a very spacious head for a 23-foot boat. It's an awesome feature. This is the smallest boat you can get from Sea Ray with a head, so it's an awesome feature to have on board there. Take a quick look at our helm real quick. It's got your 9-inch Simrad NSX screen, so that's going to have your Mercury engine management, chart plotter, all the details you need to know while you're on the boat is going to be found in that screen there. And you do have a Fusion stereo system on board as well. Some of the switches for those lights that we showed you earlier are found right there. And you do have a nice big subwoofer behind the captain's chair for that Fusion stereo. I'll show you the port side chair here because it is pretty cool. You can convert it to a lounger and lock it into place right there. Or you can convert it to be a full lay flat lounger on the port side there. Each of these seats back here in the cockpit, you're going to have storage underneath. And you do have a nice big ski locker under your snap-in flooring here. Give that a twist. Then you'll hit the back one. And then, see, we got the cover in there now. It's a pretty spacious locker in there. We're also getting plenty of shade from our canopy on top of our sport tower there. So this tower will fold down to about right above the windshield, and you do have the ability to collapse this bimini. Show you some of the features back here towards the transom, right? So this boat is equipped with the 4.5 liter V6 from Mercruiser. Got about 250 horsepower on board. And then you got a dedicated cooler spot down there. And then way back here on the swim platform, you can convert this onto a bench to look out past the swim platform. So if you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.